After spending a year in Sri Lanka, I've discovered the vibrant flavours of its cuisine and its deep connection to the land, history and community. Each dish tells a story, and living amongst locals, attending traditional festivals and sharing meals with families has enriched my appreciation of the culinary art. This immense experience has allowed me not just to learn about the food itself, but about the cultural significance behind each meal. I hope my experience can be passed on to you. Please enjoy. Sri Lanka is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. From the lively streets of Colombo, where the vibrant markets hum with energy, to the serene temples that dot the countryside, there's something for everyone. The lush hill country beckons with picturesque views, while the iconic train rides offer a unique way to soak in the stunning landscapes. Don't miss the golden beaches that call for relaxation and adventure alike. Rich in cultural history that spans thousands of years, Sri Lanka is not just a destination, it's an experience. And of course, let's not overlook the incredible food. Today, we're going to make a really simple devilled prawn. So as you can see, I've got some prawns here. I've got 500 grams of cleaned prawns. You can use a shell on if you want. These are shell off, prepared, and just got the tail on. Really simply, we're going to add like a teaspoon or so of salt and pepper, and we're just going to mix that in. Then we're over to the cooker where we're going to fry the prawns first. So some nice hot oil. I don't know how much I've got there, a couple of inches, 2-3 inches, nice and hot. Throw them in, and we're just going to cook them for like 3 minutes or so, and then we're going to take them out and set them aside. So we're going to need a little more oil, like 2 tablespoons. I'm going to use a coconut oil here. Going to get it nice and hot. We're going to add 1 cup of chunky cut onions, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, and about half a cup of green peppers or bell peppers. We're going to cook this on a kind of nice high heat, nice vibrant heat for around 4 to 5 minutes. 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and a little bit of water just to kind of stop it burning and to keep the moisture there. And then again, 2 to 3 minutes. And let's not forget chili. That's kind of what makes it devilled. I'm using chili paste, and I've got here 2 to 3 teaspoons. You can adjust this however you want. Then very simply, we're going to drop in the cooked prawns, and we're going to spin them around for another 3 to 4 minutes. And to finish off, like I said, this is really simple. We're going to add in 1 decent sized chunky cut tomato, a handful of green onions, mix around, ready to serve, delicious. Now if you want, you can add some fresh chili to this, or a little bit of soy sauce instead of the water. Earlier on in the series, I did make deviled chicken, which is a slightly different version to this one. This is a really quick, easy, beautiful method.